This is science, and it's week 26, day 1. And as you can guess from the cover here, we are going to be looking at the eye and how we see. This very first part of your assignment asks the question, and the phenomenon that they're asking about is, how do you think we see the objects around us? So before you go on to the next slide, I want you to think about that for a minute. How do you think we see the objects around us? The next slide asks you to make a model. Now, we haven't talked about anything yet, so this initial model is just what you think and how you think we might see. So what they're asking you to do is use the pictures on the left of this lamp, the eye, and the apple, and create a model of how an eye might see an apple in a room lit by a lamp. So think about last week's lesson. Think about how light works and the things you learned by using the mirrors and stuff. If you have forgotten how to create the arrows and to rotate and create those arrows, then there's a little box. There's a slide again that's going to help you with that. So you can watch that little video there if you need to remind yourself. The next slide features a video, and this man is very interesting. It would be interesting for you to maybe just listen to him and learn a little bit more about vision and how we see. And then the last one is a fun exercise for you to do. I'm thinking about, well, what it allows us to see the objects in a room, and what happens when you cannot access your sense of sight to do something. So what I want you to do is get a piece of paper and a pencil. You're going to close your eyes, and without looking, so your eyes are closed, you're going to write the sentence, light reflects off of all objects, on that piece of paper. And then the third thing you're going to do, still without looking, eyes are still closed, think of 3 objects in your room and point at those. And see if you were right, and see how hard that was to do that. So just a very small idea of what it's like to not have your vision. And that is the end of day 1.